Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of dropshipping and exploring the best apps to help you run a successful dropshipping store in South Africa. If you're looking to streamline your processes and improve functionality, you're in the right place. In the competitive world of e-commerce, having the right tools can make all the difference. Let's explore some of the top-notch apps that can elevate your dropshipping business. 1. Product sourcing and inventory management apps. These apps help you find products to sell and manage your inventory effectively. App 1. Obelo. This app helps import products from AliExpress directly into your store. It also helps automate inventory updates to keep track of stock levels. App 2. Spocket. It helps access a curated marketplace of high-quality suppliers and fast shipping times to ensure quick delivery for your customers. App 3. Sell Who. It helps you find verified wholesale suppliers across various niches. It also helps you work with reputable suppliers offering high-quality products. 2. Order processing and fulfillment apps. App 1. Dropify. This app helps you automate order fulfillment and track shipment. It also helps import products and manage orders in one place. App 2. Doba. It helps connect with a network of certified suppliers and manage orders and track shipment effectively. App 3. Parcel Ninja. This app helps access discounted shipment rates with local carrier companies and ensure quick and efficient delivery for your customers in South Africa. 3. Print-on-demand apps. If you're interested in offering custom printed products, print-on-demand apps are the way to go. Let's check out two popular options. App 1. Printify. This app helps connect with suppliers who can create and ship custom products and gives you a wide range of customizable products to choose from. App 2. Printful. This app allows seamless integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. It also has high quality printing and a variety of product options. 4. Niche specific suppliers. Finding niche-specific suppliers can give your dropshipping store a competitive edge. Let's explore some apps that cater to different niches. 1. CJ Dropshipping. This is ideal for pet and accessories products. App 2. Modalists. It's great for fashion and apparel suppliers. App 3. Neat Freak. It focuses on health, beauty, and wellness products. 5. Additional suppliers and resources. App 1. Brands Gateway. It gives access to brand name products from authorized suppliers. App 2. Dropstore. It allows you to source trending products from AliExpress and other suppliers. App 3. AliExpress. It offers a wide range of products from Chinese suppliers with competitive prices. App 4. Crov.com. It gives you access to certified dropshippers and wholesalers in South Africa. App 5. Mega Goods. You can source products across various niches at wholesale prices with this app. Before we wrap up, here are some tips and best practices to help you find the best apps for your dropshipping business. 1. Prioritize your business needs and niches. Focus on apps that address specific needs and cater to your target niches. 2. Read reviews and compare features. Make informed decisions by comparing app features and reading user reviews. 3. Ensure compatibility. Check for compatibility with your e-commerce platform and existing integrations. 4. Regularly update and optimize. Keep your apps updated and maintain positive relationships with suppliers. Using the best apps for dropshipping stores in South Africa can significantly impact your business's success. By leveraging these tools and partnering with reliable suppliers, you can streamline your operations, save time, and increase profitability. Remember to explore and implement the recommended solutions to stay organized and competitive in the e-commerce landscape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on running a successful dropshipping business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.